real deal. Okay, so hi there. Ann Cat here right now. And I'm here to say that I will be playing Tiny Tanks today. And Tiny Tanks is just full of surprises that are so much fun to do. So many weird things happen. And it's basically a game where you try to kill people. And it's great because everybody loves games where you try to kill people. And you just saw me die. So I hope that got you all fired up for the awesome video that you're about to see. And remember, because it's important to your future. And yeah, just enjoy it. Enjoy watching me and Melinda get our butts kicked.
I don't like any of the people on
it. He killed the love. He killed the love. I might have to censor that name. I might just have to censor that name. Okay. And if any children are watching, I am terribly sorry. I'm not responsible for what other people do. But anyway, I figured I will tell a funny story. Yeah, funny story. Melinda, what's a funny story? What could possibly be more funny than watching me get my butt kicked? Let's see.
I don't know.
Why did I say that? I just screwed myself up. I just set myself up for failure. Why? Why did I do that? Why? Ooh, I killed
Oh
him.
no.
I just see you against the
No.
Oh, that was a mistake. I meant to go forward, but instead I went backwards.
He did it again for the millionth time. How many times has he won? He's won like every single game.
No, he has not. I won one of those games.
Like most games. Oh no, don't you dare. Ha!
Did you see me die? I turned around to look at you and I got shot. Process. Alright, this video is 2 minutes long, even though I just previously had a failed recording where I recorded a whole video worth, and guess what happened? The mic was off. So I had to so this is the second time. And hopefully the mic is on, and I think it is. And hopefully everything goes right, because this is my first video. I mean, if you don't count the 7 failed attempts that happened recently. Or 7 failed attempts. And, yeah. So, I am here to introduce myself. I am a person, and my name is Ann Cat. And, yep, I'm new here, so just welcome me into the YouTube environment, because I watch lots of YouTube videos, probably more than I should, and that's probably not a good thing, so I figured I would make my own videos. And I probably will feature some of my friends in these videos because my friends are awesome. So yes, they will be in these videos, and some of them do have YouTube channels. So yeah, it'll be great, and it'll be fun. And yep. And this person's probably wallowing in self-misery because they killed themselves. Oh, I need to breathe.
No.
Oh, burn. I shot your dead body just to get my butt. Melinda, you don't know how creepy that phone sounds. Alright, I need to take another breath. I need to make this video funny again because it stopped being funny a long time ago. Was it even supposed to be funny? It's basically just me playing a game and you guys watching me, so.
Oh wow, I died.
Yeah, because you went on another site like you always do when we're playing games. And, yeah. I wish they could if anyone's watching this and they know me, they can probably picture me cringing on the floor right now. And, yeah, I hope you enjoy my misery. My misery it's great to watch people be miserable because we figured that it's really fun to watch people. I'm just talking nonsense now. But please excuse me, because I am a new YouTuber. I'm not even a YouTuber. I'm just a person who who installed a random app by accident and decided to make a video out of it. So don't mind me. I'll be quiet now. And yep, that's a great way to end a video. So bye. You get to enjoy my death right there. That's me, my dead body. So bye, I'll go upload this now.